friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Today we are going to learn that how can we compare the numbers. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So friends, today's topic is comparing numbers as I told you. So in comparing numbers we use these three symbols: greater than, less than and equal to. So these two symbols are of greater than and less than, and this is the equal to symbol. So friends, today we are going to see that how can we compare two numbers till thousands place. Okay, so friends, let's see with some example. First we need to understand these three symbols, that what they mean. So first over here I am gonna take two numbers. This is 7 and this is 5. I have made a gap in here in which we have to fill the symbol. So in this we have to see that which number is bigger. We have to compare, so we will see that which number is bigger and which number is smaller. So we all know 7 is bigger than 5 and 5 is smaller than 7. So see, now which symbol are you going to use out of these three? It is definitely not this equal to symbol. In these two symbols, see, we are going to use this symbol. First, let me tell you that how do we use this symbol. So this is also a greater than and a less than symbol. So we'll put it over here as it is. So friends, see over here, you can't understand that what is this symbol. So friends, you can see this is the open side of your symbol. This side, this is the open side of your symbol. So this is the open side of your symbol, and you see this open side is facing towards 7 and this is the closed side. So the closed side is facing towards 5. So see, whenever your number is bigger, the open side should face towards your bigger number and the closed side should face towards the small number. So here you can see open side is facing towards 7 and this closed side is facing towards 5. This is correct. Now let's see some more examples, some quick examples, then we will see that how can we do with some big numbers. So friends, now I have taken two numbers again over here. This is 8 and this is 9. So here also I have left the gap. We have to fill the symbol in this gap. So friends, see, now we can't use this symbol because you see the open side is facing towards the right and open side always faces the bigger number. So 8 and 9 is here, so 8 is smaller. So if we put this symbol here, then this will be wrong because the open side should face towards the bigger number. So this will be wrong. So this will be wrong. So now what we do is we will take this symbol. So we can see here this is the side which is facing towards the right. So this is the closed side and this is the open side. So same rules apply here. The open side faces towards the big number and the closed side faces towards the small number. So I put this sign over here. So friends, see, the closed side is facing towards 8 and the open side is facing towards 9, which is the big number over here. So now friends, let's see one last small example. Now I have written two numbers over here. This is 5 and this is also 5. So in this, both the number are equal. So now what we will do? If we take this symbol, it will be wrong. If we take this symbol, it will be wrong. Now this symbol is left. So this is the equal to symbol. So we understand by its meaning also that is the equal to that can be used here when your numbers are equal. So 5 and 5 both are same and equal. So this equal to sign will come over here. So friends, now let's see with some big numbers. Now friends, I have written two numbers over here. These are the two digits number. So let's see, this is 67 and this is 75. So now we have to compare these two numbers. So first, whenever we have to compare, we can say that we have to always compare from the left side. So first, from the left side we see both the digits of both the numbers. So from the left side, 6 is from 67 and 7 is from 75. So you can see over here, when we compare 6 and 7, then the 6 is smaller than 7. So now no need to check the digits which are after your the digit which are in the light. So now no need to check the next digits. You can see we have got the answer, that is this 6 is smaller than 7. So that is definitely that 75 is bigger than 67. So if we see that 75 over here and this sign is so that means that 75 is bigger than 67. Now I have written two numbers over here. This is 35 and this is 33. So now we have to compare these two numbers. So as I told you, when we have to compare the numbers, first see from the left side. Compare the digits. I told you that check the digits from the left side. Compare your digits from the left side. So take the first digit of two of your numbers. So here it is 3 and here it is 3. So you see, when we compare 3 and 3 equal comes. So these both are same only. So now what we have to do? So friends, whenever your first digit is same, check the next digit. So now you see, these are the two digits. This is 5 and this is 3. So we have to compare these two digits now. So now 5 and 3. So 5 will be bigger than 3 over here. So now what we have to do is that 5 is bigger. So now we know that 5 is bigger. So then 5 is in 35. So that is simply that 35 is bigger than 33. 35 is bigger than 33. Alright. So now let's see some more examples. So friends, I have written two more numbers over here. You can see the first one is 297 and the second one is 623. So friends, now we have to compare these two numbers. So as I told you, whenever we have to compare our numbers, we see the two digits from the left. So you see, this is 2 which is from 297 and this is 6 which is from 623. So now we have to compare these two digits. So when you compare these two digits, 2 is smaller than 6. So now you have got the answer that 2 is smaller than 6. So 297 will be smaller than 693. And 297. Alright. So you can see that 623 is bigger than 297. So now let's see some more examples. So friends, I have written two more numbers over here. You can see this is 557 and the other one is 549. So let's quickly compare these two numbers. So always see the digits from the left side. So 5 from 557 and another 5 from 549. So when you compare these, both are equal. So when your digits are equal, see the next digits, next two digits. So this is 5 from 557 and this is 4 from 549. Now compare these two digits. So you see, when we compare 5 and 4, 5 is bigger than 4. So now 5 is bigger than 4, so we have got the answer. That means that 557 is bigger than 549. Is bigger than 549. Now friends, let's see some examples in thousands place. So friends, now I have got some numbers in the thousands place also. So you see, this is 6230 and the other digit and the other number is 3724. So now we have to compare these two numbers. So first, always compare the digits from the left side. So you see, we always go to the left. So 6 is here from 6230 and 3 from 3724. So now compare these two digits. So 6 and 3, when we compare them, 6 is bigger than 3. You can see here. So now friends, when we have got the answer that 6 is bigger than 3, so it will be 6230 is bigger than 3724. So you can see over here that 6230 is bigger than 3724. So friends, this much for today's video. But don't leave the video. As I told you, we were having some quizzes on some videos. So today I am going to announce that shout out. So Shreyansh Pal gets the shout out of the first video. As you know, as I told you, the first video quiz. So Shreyansh Pal was the fastest one and the correct one to answer. But no one else answered. So I want you all to answer on those videos even. Remember, the second video of Roman numerals is still left for the shout out. So you can go and give your answers in that video and get a shout out from my side. So friends, hope you liked today's video. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give your suggestions for the next video in the comment box. Till then, take care and bye bye.